Hi guys, welcome to today's episode of battery capacity testing. Our last battery which we tested was Luxwatt 3 kilowatts 24 volt lithium battery. Remember I said it then that we have two of their capacities, that is 24 volts. We have the 2.5 installed and we have the 3 kilowatts. So we started our test with the 3 kilowatts and you guys saw the result. So now we want to run the test on 2.5 kilowatts, which is equivalent to 100 amps hour. So let's see, we've charged it's full. You can see it's on 4 bar now. So let's see if this battery is going to be a complete battery that we dispense a maximum of 100 amps which they've promised us or not. So now it's connected, the charge is full. So now let me put on my inverter. We are still using our amazing inverter as usual. So my inverter is up. So I'm going to be resetting the two meters now. So I'll be resetting my AC meter. Let me do it at the two at the same time. So I've resetted my meter. So if you see now, this is the timing is back to 0. The amps hour is back to 0. So now I'll be putting on our load on the AC side too. Also, you can see total kilowatt hour is 0. Our watt is still 0. So let me put on our load now. Our load is up. So we are draining 400 plus watt of load. On our AC side, our output voltage is 220, almost 220. On our DC side, on our DC meter here, the battery is currently 26.3 volts. Our watt is 400 watt plus also, and we are draining like 8.5 amps from the battery. So our testing has started, and we'll come back after like an hour or two to come and see what we've drawn from the battery so far. To proceed with our test, and let's see if this will deliver to us the 100 amps they promised us or not. So come along with me guys. Thank you. Okay, welcome back guys. Our time now that we've been able to spend so far on this capacity test is like 3 hours now. So we've been able to draw 58 amps hour so far after 3 hours. After 3 hours, we'll be able to draw 58 amps hour so far from the battery. And on our AC side, we've been able to draw 1.2 kilowatt hour, still at the rate of 400 watt load on the system. 1.2 kilowatts and 1.28 kilowatt hour, and on the AC side we have 58 amps after 3 hours of energy being drawn from this battery. And on the battery we have 2 bars left. After 4 bars we have 2 bars left. So we'll see what we can draw additionally to this from these 2 bars that we have left. I hope, or let me say from what I'm saying so far, this should be able to complete our 2.56 kilowatt hour that they've promised us from all we are seeing so far. So let's come back in the next, let's say 1 hour or 2 hours max, and let's see what we have again. So welcome back guys. So the system shut down not long ago, so before I restart it so that I can get the record of the hours we were able to draw from the system, from the battery before it shuts down. So I was like, oh, let's do this together. So I'll be putting on this, so my breaker for solar to just make the system come up. So now the system is up. So now this is it. The battery went off around 22 volts, and then we were able to draw 85 amps from the system. 85 amps. We were able to draw 85 amps from the system. It spent 4 hours 34 minutes. So which means this 2.5 kilowatts lithium battery from Luxwatt is incomplete. It was able to do 85 hours. So I will say this is incomplete. So based on our past test, also previous test that we did on 3 kilowatts, that one was able to do 100 amps. The battery that was able to deliver 120, I was able to do 100 amps. Now this battery also that was supposed to do 100 amps was able to do 85 amps. So I think Luxwatt management of Luxwatt will need to also see to these two particular series of their battery. Probably maybe I will have to get my hands on the Luxwatt and 5 kilowatts because we've used that one multiple times. So I would also like to get my hands on it and run the capacity test. Now, so this one, let me check the AC part. I'll check the AC part. So on the AC part, we were able to use 1.8 kilowatts instead of, at least we should be able to even get up to maybe 2 point something kilowatts, but on this side we're able to get 1.8 kilowatts of load. So and then the bar is empty, you can see it's empty. It's 185 amps. So thank you guys. We move on to the watch out for the next capacity test. I think we'll be getting our hands on another particular product that might be either 24 volts or 12 volts. Someone reached out to me on TikTok and then he requested we do a capacity test on Africell lithium battery. So we'll try and get our hands on. We've installed couples of their batteries, but we'll run a personal capacity test on that too also. So watch out guys for the next episode. Thank you.